Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah amma ba'd. The congregation beside me and the audience front of me. Today I will story of Abu Lahab inshallah. One day, very early morning in the city of Makkah, everyone fast asleep. Just then Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam take up ground mount of Safa. Suddenly, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam began a shout, Ya Sabah! Ya Sabah! Ya Sabah! Which means, oh morning disaster! Oh morning disaster! Everyone from every house study come out to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam because they thought that enemy beings come to the attack them. Then Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, if I say enemy beings heading behind to mountain who want to attack you, will you believe it? Will you believe it? Everyone say yes, because Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam never lied. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam never lied. Then his uncle, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's uncle Abu Lahab, very angry and very sad. There's who you call it use? Then Abu Lahab threw a stone to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This time Abu Lahab is very rich and powerful person of Makkah. One day Abu Lahab asked to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, if I am a Muslim, I will get anything special? Then Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam explained, Islam, everyone is same. No special class in Islam for the rich. This issue to Surah Lahab related. Tabbat yada abi lahabi watab ma agna anhu maluhu wa ma kasab. May Allah grant you today's old lecture. Allahumma amin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.